King Saidi Osupa, Oborin, the dictionary of music. Ha! That guy, wallahi, they sing good. Oni kini kilode. Gbàdọ̀ bá lògùn ṣe tiẹ̀. I like that man. That I thank God. Today is good. No shouting, no wahala, no problem. God, I thank you.
Hey, Baba Legba, so you don't know say if everywhere silent like that, so you don't know say sign of spiritual battle be that.
Oranu, olórí fífọ́, battle kọ, continue ni.
Okay now.
Oga, wetin? Oga, Atakuro. Oga, what happened? New apprentice don come. Come. You say you wan be mechanic. Mechanic, yes sir. Ball again. Na ball you. If you see his dressing like this, Oga, I think say he be Curtis. Curtis na wan work shop. Wahala o. Ogure. Tano you send her. I don't know. But as well, sir, that guy be Curtis. What is it? He dey with red clothes, with black beret, with another different color of glass. Curtis care. Ogunmare o, Isombe.
Baba Legba.
Isombe.
Baba Legba.
Let's go baru sọ̀rọ̀.
Ṣebí mo sọ pé gbogbo ẹ ti dákẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Wàhálà bọ́ọ̀lù. Ṣebí mo sọ pé bá ìtọ́ka ń before. Oga, una good morning for here. First of all, introduction. Let me introduce myself to you guys. My name is Creative Abbey. The guy where they use creativity fix anything automobile. Oga, bros, as you see me so, nothing here I no fit fix so. I dey fix car, I dey fix bus, anything automobile I dey fix am. I hear say una sabi mechanic work for here. That is why I carry myself come join you now. I dey fix anything except broken heart.
You dey rap me? Hey, you sure say you sabi pass YouTube tutorial?
Oga, no dey doubt my creativity. Yesterday, I still fix bus engine for my 2 inside rain. Check my hand.
Hey,
Bobo, you be like say you get mind, sir.
Abi?
This garage wey you come, he go tire you.
Bros, let me yarn you one thing.
You dey place?
Oga, no this. Bro, let me yarn you. See as you see me so, I get ogba for head, spanner for pocket. If you do anyhow, you see anyhow.
No wahala. Oga, make you test me with that stubborn car now. Who dey call like smoker?
You're right.
They can go.
I better know when they park this motor for here.
Oga, please come out o. You no get this to better come out o.
Oga, shut up, Ujo. Who be down? Hey, Sarek, she to make her check the fuel line. Wetin you do for this car? Okay. Rose, I beg you that spanner. I like shift.
Don't kill yourself, sir. We don't die quickly.
Ìmọ̀tò èlé yìí, ó lè jí mọ́. Wọ́n pẹ́ abẹ́nu abẹ́ta ní pátá ọlọ́jẹ ní tó máa tà.
Ìkànnì wọ̀ fún.
Ọmọ òṣìṣẹ́ ìkànnì pàtó.
My friend. Oga, this guy pass orderly mechanical. This one the engine use fire. Everybody listen. Okay. From today, your name in this guy now Seka.
I don't show me to very soon. I don't take down from you, Baba. My name is Creative Abbey. This Creative go hard for you. Call me Abbey, yeah? And as from today, this guy could change. Now let me say, then call me for Tamu. It's there now.
You think they do this one? Ramata, no they look me like this, so. This guy no don dey overshadow me now.
Atakoro, don't worry. I go use harmless app to humble in spirit. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, tá bá ti lò bá a kàn fi teri rẹ̀ bá ní gbogbo gede ti ṣe.
Ramata, you wan do jazz inside this garage? You think this place is a shrine of confusion, abi? Ramata.
LEGBA'S, na pranking.
Pranking kini?
Na pranking, na just small about breeze. Overturn for respect. Na just
Bros, greet me now. What's happen now?
I greet.
Abarega.
You don't know me.
After I just help you fix motor.
This guy, don't they see yourself? Because you do this small car, so you now feel like say you be somebody now.
Hey, bros, no supposed talk like that now. Now you talk say this car don't dey here for years. When you don't fix am, I come here 30 minutes, I fix am for you. Supposed to appreciate me. Hey, Baba, tell you one thing. You know wetin? This garage don't get engine balance and astrogen.
This one don't turn mechanic series with episode and the estrogen.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to wuraolatv+. Like, comment, and share.